Hey guys, Ben here. I got the GoPro Hero 7 a couple months ago, and although the audio quality is better than the 6, I wanted to make some audio adjustments and do some testing with a couple of different microphones to see if I could get a little bit better audio quality out of it without making the camera look big and bulky and grab a lot of attention from people when we're out in our RV trip this summer. So my goal is really just to be able to take just the GoPro and then the Session 5 and get by with just those, just to give me a chance to kind of find my voice and really get comfortable recording and try to focus more on making memories with the family this summer and not on trying to learn a new camera. What I have here is the Movo VXR10, and I also have the Edutige ETM-001, which is a very small microphone that will allow you to swivel it back and forth, you know, front facing or rear facing, so you can get the audio quality of you speaking while you're shooting. And if you're interviewing someone, you can flip the camera around and have the microphone in front of you just like I do now, so it's good quality. Okay, here's the GoPro in the audio settings without any mic attached. Now we're going to test the GoPro in stereo mode without any mic at all. As you notice, since there's no mic, we don't have any other settings like standard mic plus, or standard mic plus powered, or any of the other additional settings. So this is what you get with the GoPro just stock in the Ulanzi case, which does help quite a bit because it does have more space for the audio. Now we are using the Movo VXR10 mic with standard mic settings. Now we are using the Movo VXR10 with the standard mic plus settings. Okay, so I've hooked up the adapter again, and we've now plugged in the Edutige 001 mic, and we are in standard mic mode. And as you can see, guys, this is really an awesome mic. I love the audio quality, and it's so small. And here we are again with the standard mic plus with the Edutige ETM-001 mic. And the audio quality is just really clear. So I am very pleased with the Edutige microphone. I think that's the one I'm going to use most of the summer because of the quality and how compact it is. So I did get the GoPro audio adapter from GoPro. I know they were out of stock for a little while. Hopefully they'll be back in stock soon. And then I've got a Ulanzi GoPro Hero 7 case, which is excellent because you can fit the GoPro audio adapter inside of it, as well as put a camera light on the top of it. I plan on just taking this GoPro camera this summer. This is the only thing I'm going to have with me for the most part, and I'm just going to have this little mic and maybe this GoPro, either a handle similar to this, just a simple handle that I picked up on Amazon. So anyways, I hope this is helpful for you guys, and just let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. Thanks.